Today I'm going to perform a heartworm ELISA test on a patient. So I have my supplies here, which is my heartworm snap ELISA test, my blood sample. I have my conjugate, and then a tube that I'm going to use to mix the blood and the conjugate together. So what you want to do is go ahead and open your ELISA test, place it on a flat surface. Comes with a pipette which you'll use to make sure blood sample and the conjugate. My blood sample is in an anticoagulant EDTA tube. And the way I remember everything is you use 3 drops of your blood, and blood is red, and that's 3 letters. And then with the conjugate is blue, and blue is 4 letters, so you use 4 drops of your conjugate. That's how I remember it. So 4 of one and 3 of the other. So what you want to do is go ahead and take your conjugate, add 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place your sample down so you don't spill it. Put the lid back on the conjugate. Take your sample, your EDTA tube with your blood in it. Remove the lid, the pipette that comes with your ELISA test. You're going to pull up some of your sample and add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3 to the conjugate. Place your lid back on your tube. You want to go ahead and close your sample so you can invert slowly, and do it for about 10 times. Very slowly. 2, 3. This is just going to mix your conjugate and your blood together, your sample together, before you place it in the well of your ELISA test. Once you thoroughly mix it, you're going to go ahead and dump everything out in the well. And it's slowly going to migrate up the test. If it does not fully get to your window in 60 seconds, you want to snap it down, because otherwise your sample, the sample with the conjugate mix, starts to go backwards. You don't want that. And once it slowly goes over your window, once it reaches the top little bubble, you'll want to snap your test and set your timer for 10 minutes. We're almost there. Almost ready. You can see your sample just entering the little, almost. Right when it starts to enter the window is when you want to snap it. As long as you're in your 60-second mark. So right around 60 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and snap the test down and set my timer for 10 minutes and read the results when we're done.